You're welcome to Harrisonate Learning Academy, and here we have the 2022 math paper which they wrote on 10th November. Okay, so let's solve one or two questions in this paper which they wrote in 2022 on 10th November. So this is paper 2, it's internal. So we have question 1 which reads, given that the determinant of matrix Q is 15. So this is the determinant of matrix Q. As you can see, this is our matrix Q. Question 1 reads, question 1 reads, find the value of B. Find the value of B, and Roman numeral 2 reads, find the inverse of matrix Q. So we have two questions, to find the value of B and to find the inverse of matrix Q. Okay, so let's just rewrite the matrix Q so that we clearly understand what to be doing. So I have 2b minus 1, here we have 4, negative 3b minus 5, okay, and we have done that the determinant is 15, the dt is 15, the determinant is 15. Okay, so you and I know that to find the determinant we multiply this and this minus this and this. We multiply this and this minus this and this. Okay, so the product of this and this minus the product of this and this. Okay, so let's find the value of B. So I said that you multiply this and this, so determinant, so dt is equal to 2b minus 1 multiplied by negative 5, okay, multiplied by negative 5 minus, here there's negative, open brackets, we put them in brackets so that we don't get confused. So minus negative 3b multiplied by 4, then we close the brackets. So negative 5, so first of all, before we do the multiplication, you should know these things. So we have negative multiplied by negative, this will give you positive. Positive multiplied by negative, it will give you negative, and positive multiplied by positive, it will give you a positive. So you should know these things. Negative multiplied by negative, it's a positive. Positive multiplied by negative, it's a negative. Positive multiplied by positive, it will give you positive. So we have negative 5 multiplied by positive 2, so this will give you negative 10. So negative 10, remember negative multiplied by positive, it will give you a negative. So determinant, we know that the determinant is 15, so at this dt we're going to put 15. So we have 15 is equal to negative 5 multiplied by positive 2b, it will give you negative 10b. Negative multiplied by negative, it will give you positive. So 5 multiplied by 1, it will give you 5. Minus, before you multiply here, you can do negative 3b multiplied by 4. This will give you negative 12b. Negative 12b. We maintain our determinant, which is 15. So 15 is equal to negative 10b. So these are unlike terms. You can't add unless if they were like terms. Plus 5. Negative multiplied by negative, it will give you positive, hence of 12b. Okay, positive 12b. Then here you can now collect the like terms. So our 15 here, we also have 5. These are like terms, so we can collect them by taking 5 to this side, and when it comes to this side, it will become negative. We know that when a number crosses the equal sign, its sign changes. So we have 15 minus 5 is equal to negative 10b plus 12b. So if you're watching this on TikTok, you can give it a follow so that you don't miss the next lesson. But if it's on YouTube, you can subscribe so that you get in touch with us. Even if we proceed, you will find the lessons. So 15 minus 5, it will give you 10. To give you 10, which is equal to negative 10b plus 12b. Here we get a sign from bigger number, which is 12. And if we're dealing with two different signs, just know that it's to subtract. If you're dealing with two different signs, it's subtract. But if you're dealing with two same sign, it's to add. Okay, I'm going to repeat. Two different sign, you subtract. Two different sign, you subtract. So in case you forget, I'm going to write it here. So two, this stand for difference, two different sign, you two different sign, you subtract. Just know that I'm subtracting. Two different sign, you subtract. Two same sign, you add. Okay, so you should just know these two different sign, you subtract. Two same sign, you add. So since we are dealing with two different sign here, just know that we're going to subtract and we get the sign from a bigger number. So our answer will carry a sign from a bigger number, which is 12. So since 12 is positive, our answer will carry 12. So we're going to have negative 10b plus 12b. Remember I said we subtract, so yet to b. Okay, then we make b the subject formula by dividing both sides by b. So we divide both sides by b. So 10 divided 2, it will give you 10. So it's give you 2. So our b is equal to 2. Okay, so this is the value of b, which they asked us to find the value of b. So I found the value of b to be 2. So let's now proceed to finding the inverse of matrix Q. Okay, so of matrix Q, I'm going to rewrite it again. So of matrix Q, which is 2. Okay, so you know that where there is, we know that the value of b is 2. So where there is b, we're going to replace with 2. Okay, so that we find the how matrix b was. So multiply by 2. Okay, minus 1 here. Okay, we have 4 this side. I believe you can see we have 4 this side, and down here this is negative 3. Negative 3b. We know that the value of b it's 2. So we have 2 here, and this side we have negative 5. So now we can write matrix Q clearly. So 2 minus 1, oh, first of, sorry, before you subtract, you deal with multiplication. Okay, according to BODMAS. According to BODMAS, multiplication comes first. So 2 multiplied by 2, it will give you 4. 2 multiplied by 2, it will give you 4. 4 minus 1, 2 multiplied by 2, it will give you 4. 4 minus 1, it will give you 3. So we have 3 here. Negative 3 multiplied by 2, it will give you negative 6. Okay, 4 here and negative 5 here. So this is the matrix Q. Let's now find the inverse. So we know that the inverse is multiplied by the determinant. So the determinant was 1 over 15, or is 1 over 15. We can say is because we're still solving this. So our determinant, we divide it by 1. So 1 divides our determinant, then you multiply it with the inverse of matrix Q. So for you to find the inverse, you should know that these two swaps, when you're finding the inverse, this and this, we're going to swap. This will come this side and this will come down here. So this will be here. So since this is down, so here we're going to have negative 5, and this will come where negative 5 was, and these two, they just change the sign. They don't swap, they just change the sign. So since here it's negative, it's going to be positive. So I have positive 6. Since here it's negative, it's positive, here it will be a negative. Okay, so like this. So this is the inverse. So this is the inverse of Q. So I'm going to repeat this and this, they swap. You get this here, this down here. So this they just swap, and this they just change the sign. So if it's negative here, then there it will be positive. So like this. But if you want, you can end from here. But if you want, you can finish to show them that you know mathematics. So you can finish this by multiplying everything here by 1 over 15. So negative 5. So again, we can negative 5. Negative 5 multiplied by 1 over 15, you're going to have negative 5 over 15. Even this, negative 4 over 15. Okay, 3 over 15. And 6 over 15. So this is the inverse of Q. Then here, you can just finish it by negative 5 into negative 5, it will give you negative 1. So I have negative 1 here. Negative 5 into 15, it will give you 3. So negative 1 over 3. Here, we can just maintain there because 4 cannot go into 15 without removing any remainder. It's leaving a remainder. Here, since it's 6 over 15, we can divide by 3. So 3 can go into 6 2 times, and it can also go into 15 5 times. 3 into 3, here 3 into 3, it will give you 1. 3 into 15, it will give you 5. So we have 1 over 5. So this is, sorry, this is the inverse of q. So this was the inverse of q. So this is how you can answer the question when you have been given the determinant. So first of all, just use the formula to find the determinant, then you collect the like terms and do the math. So if you're watching this on YouTube, you can subscribe so that you don't miss the next lesson. We're a school of online lessons. So in case you want to get in touch with us, you can contact us on this WhatsApp line, plus 260-970-1111-1136. Okay, so this is the WhatsApp line you can use to contact with us. I greet you.